Hello, Ndigbo. As you can see on my face, I am happy. Finally, it happened. Yeah, so yesterday, the Ohaneze election happened. And as I speak to you, a River State man is the Ohaneze president, Ohaneze Ndigbo president general, a River State man by the name John Azuta Mbata. John Azuta Mbata is the new Ohaneze President General. Ohaneze Ndigbo. The election happened in Enugu. I have a lot to tell us right now. I will read it and you will listen. That is his picture. As you can see, that is his picture. John Azuta Mbata. This is Wike's godfather. This was the person who pushed Wike up. Now, the son, his son is like, Wike, I'm not, man. John Mbata is key. That, oh my God. Identity crisis is vanishing. In fact, what is happening now, if you oppose that Ikwerre is Igbo, please park your vehicle on the side. A moving hypersonic train is coming. Just clear the road, oh. Stay by the side, keep quiet. Oh. This one can. So, as we speak again, I want you to note the current Ohaneze President General is a River State Igbo man. Azuta Mbata, he was a former senator. When I hear him, you will see Ohaneze bounce back. Ohaneze is going to bounce back massively. Do you know what is raking in Ikwerre now? In River State? There is massive celebration. There is happiness. How this guy came to become Ohaneze President General. Unify Igbo work. Unify Ndinasobia. We are seeing the result. We are not just the only people in this thing. You think we are just the only people. No, there are many people. But we are part of it and we are happy to be part of it. Now let's talk about what happened yesterday and who is this man called Azuta Mbata John. Again, I want to tell you, Azuta Mbata becomes new Ohaneze President General. John Azuta Mbata, he has been elected as the President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide. One of the Igbo's strongest body worldwide. It's being led by an Ikwerre man. Ikwerre people are massively, even before this happened, they are massively saying they are Igbo now. So, the election took place in Enugu yesterday, 10th January 2025. Please note this for the record. 10th January 2025. In Enugu, he succeeded Fidelis Chukwu. I think Fidelis Chukwu was the one who concluded Iwanyanwu's tenure. You know, Iwanyanwu died before the end of his tenure. So, somebody from Imo State completed it. We've been talking about River State Igbos being zoned as the next, that the Ohaneze next chairman, President General will come from there. It is still intact. I told you it is still intact. That the man, Fidelis, was to complete Iwanyanwu's tenure, and that happened. So, who is Azuta Mbata? Azuta Mbata previously served as a senator for Rivers East from 1999 to 2007. In his acceptance speech, he emphasized unity and addressing present issues within Igbo community. The election also saw the appointment of 15 other executives, including Emeka Sibeudu as Secretary General. Presido Tinubu has congratulated him already, in case you don't know. And Governor Fubara too has congratulated him. You need to see the atmosphere of that Ohaneze stuff. I will play part of the videos for us to see.
imposing in me the responsibility of the office of the President General, I want to say that you will not be disappointed. I believe that under the guidance of our governors, our elders, we will do the needful and make you proud.
Let's talk about a bit about his biography. John Azuta Mbata. He was born in January 1960 and is a prominent Nigerian politician, and he is the newly elected President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide. He holds a master's degree in public administration from the University of Ibadan. His political career began when he was elected as the Senator for Rivers East from 1999 to 2007, where he served on various committees, including Defense and Finance. Azuta Mbata faced legal challenges during his tenure, but was cleared of all charges in 2019. His election on January 10, 2025, marks him as the first leader from Rivers State in this role, emphasizing inclusivity within the Igbo community. He aims to leverage his extensive experience to address critical issues affecting Igbo people, focusing on unity and socio-economic development. How did Azuta Mbata's background as a former senator influence his position? John Azuta Mbata's background as a former senator significantly influenced his election as President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo. His experience in the Senate, where he served, like we said, from 1999 to 2007, provided him with valuable political insight and connections within the Igbo community and beyond. His tenure included key committee roles, enhancing leadership credentials and visibility among stakeholders, additionally overcoming past legal challenges, like we already said. How did this election process unfold in Enugu? The election process for the Ohaneze Ndigbo presidency in Enugu unfolded with significant organization and participation. On January 10, 2025, delegates gathered at the Enugu State Secretariat for the election. The process was overseen by a committee that ensured adherence to electoral guidelines, allowing for transparent voting. Azuta Mbata emerged as a consensus candidate, reflecting his political experience and connections within the community. The election concluded peacefully, with a focus on unity and collaboration among the delegates, setting a positive tone for a leadership ahead. What is the significance of Ohaneze Ndigbo's presidency rotating among the states? What is the significance? Because, like we told you, it is being zoned. The last time was Imo State. So what is the significance of it being zoned? The rotation of Ohaneze Ndigbo presidency among the 7 Igbo-speaking states is significant for several reasons. Inclusivity and presentation. This system ensures that all the states have a voice in leadership, fostering unity among the diverse Igbo communities across regions like Abia, Anambra, Delta, Ebonyi, Enugu, Imo, and Rivers. We are targeting Benue. I want you to listen to it. We are targeting Benue. Like I told you, Igbo unification is a hypersonic trend. If you block, if you stand on the way, hypersonic trend will, you know what it will do to you. It's a hypersonic trend. Okay. Now, the constitutional mandate. The rotational presidency aligns with Article 11 of the Ohaneze Constitution, reinforcing adherence to democratic principles within the organization. Stability and continuity. Now, by allowing different states to lead in turn, it promotes stability and continuity in governance, preventing dominance by a single state and minimizing potential conflicts over leadership. What challenges does Azuta Mbata face in his new role? As a new President General for Ohaneze Ndigbo, John Azuta Mbata faces several challenges. Now, Among them, political representation. He must ensure a strong unified voice for Igbo in Nigeria. That's the Nigeria political landscape, particularly ahead of national elections. We talk about economic development, promoting initiatives to drive economic growth in the Southeast and South-South region is crucial, addressing unemployment and infrastructure issues. Security concern, tackling security challenges, including separatist movements and ensuring citizens' safety, is essential for community stability. Cultural preservation, this is also very key. Upholding Igbo culture and traditions amid globalization is vital for maintaining cultural identity. The challenges require strategic leadership and collaboration with various stakeholders to foster unity and progress within the Igbo community. Once again, congratulations. Congratulations, Senator Azuta Mbata, the current Ohaneze President General. He is, listen carefully, he is from River State Igbos. That is it. A River State man is heading Ohaneze. Thanks for watching. Please share this video widely. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. I am Azuka OJ. Bye-bye for now.